All right, 1.1, lines.
What a great name.
All right. Some definitions, increments. Particle moving from x1, y1 to x2, y2. The increments and coordinates are delta x is equal to x2 minus x1. Delta y is y2 minus y1. Slope of a line from P1, which is x1, y1, to P2, which is x2, y2, is m is equal to rise over run is equal to delta y over delta x equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If lines are perpendicular, slope is opposite inverse. So for example, if M1 is 2/3, then M2 is negative 3/2. Parallel, have the same slope. So M1 is equal to M2. They just have a different y-intercept. With perpendicular, they could have the same y-intercept, but they don't have to. Equations of lines. We have the point AB, a vertical line would be at x is equal to A, and a horizontal line at y is equal to B. Not a problem. We're almost done, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We've done over half of them.
Oh, yes, we love the
What is this one? Are the notes just like definitions?
Yeah. You could probably do this section without me teaching it, to be completely honest.
Christian, you're in physics, right?
Yeah. Just not stats.
Physics is like our biggest class. Right?
Yep. Point slope form allows us to write the equation of a non-vertical line if we know the slope and a point. So there's a few different ways that you're going to see this book write it comparatively to what you're used to. They get it because y minus y1 over x minus x1 is equal to m. With that being that you know a point. So y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, which is the way you've traditionally seen this written. The way this book commonly writes it is y is equal to m times x minus x1 plus y1. This is going to be the most common one that you see this book do, because it gives you a little bit more information in a sense about what we're going to be doing. Then we have two more forms. We have slope-intercept form. I would say just get used to point-slope form. I would say probably like at least 90% of what we do is going to be point-slope form, if not more than that. So we're going to write a lot of equations of tangent lines this year. So slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b.
Yeah. I know that.
And then general linear form, or what you've probably traditionally heard as standard form,
Oh.
is ax plus by equals c, assuming a and b are not equal to 0. And kind of a fun fact about this is that every line, even those with undefined slopes, have this form.